If you're considering buying TMS, you need to know a few things before making that decision. Stick around because I'll break down 7 crucial points about TMS that could make or break your purchase. By the end, you'll have a complete picture of whether this product is the right fit for you, especially when compared to competitors in the market. First off, TMS offers a comprehensive set of features that make it stand out in a crowded field. Unlike many alternatives, it combines usability with powerful functionality, making it an appealing option for both beginners and seasoned users. Many tools in this space can feel overwhelming, but TMS strikes a good balance between ease of use and offering enough customization to meet your specific needs. Next thing you should know, TMS provides great integration options. Whether you're working with third-party apps or trying to streamline internal systems, TMS offers a smooth setup process. It connects well with other platforms and services, so you're not left in the dark with a tool that's hard to pair with your existing tech stack. For businesses already using popular software like Salesforce or HubSpot, TMS integrates seamlessly, unlike some competitors which require complicated setups or lack strong integration support. The third thing to consider is pricing. TMS doesn't try to lock you into long-term commitments with massive upfront costs. In fact, you can try it completely free from the first link in the description below, so you can get a feel for the platform before making any big decisions. It's always a good idea to test out the product to make sure it's the right fit before investing your money. Unlike competitors that might have hidden fees or confusing pricing tiers, TMS is transparent with its cost structure. The fourth thing is that TMS has an excellent customer support system. From my experience, this is something that sets it apart from other options on the market. Whether you need assistance with a technical issue or just need some advice on getting the most out of the software, TMS offers responsive and knowledgeable support. Many competitors often leave users feeling stranded, but TMS makes sure you're never without help when you need it most. Another thing you need to know is that TMS is constantly updating and improving. They're committed to rolling out new features based on user feedback, which is something you don't always see with other platforms. While some products stagnate, TMS keeps evolving, adding enhancements that make the tool even more powerful and user-friendly. It's a sign of a company that's invested in long-term customer satisfaction. The sixth point is the user interface. TMS offers one of the cleanest, most intuitive designs I've seen in this industry. Unlike some of the clunkier, outdated systems that still dominate the market, TMS makes navigation simple. Whether you're managing projects or analyzing data, everything is right where you need it, which reduces the learning curve and allows you to get straight to work. If you've ever struggled with a cluttered dashboard, you'll appreciate how straightforward TMS makes the whole experience. Finally, let's talk about the flexibility of TMS. It's adaptable to a wide range of industries, from small businesses to large enterprises. Whether you're in tech, marketing, or retail, TMS can be customized to fit your specific needs. While other tools may be tailored to specific sectors, TMS is versatile enough to handle a variety of business models and workflows. If you want to give TMS a try, make sure to click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits. This offer will give you a chance to fully explore everything TMS has to offer with no obligations. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your business to the next level with TMS.